In this video, you'll learn how to generate a clear and reliable project progress report in Stack. I'll show you a simple, repeatable workflow inside Stack Build so you can summarize what actually happened on site and clearly explain how your schedule is tracking. Start by logging into Stack Build, then open the project you want to report on. You will need Viewer plus Editor or Admin access to see all the tools used in this process. Your report begins with daily reports because they capture the real activity happening on the job site. Inside the project, open Daily Reports and set your filters to match the time frame you are reporting on. Use weekly filters for short updates or monthly filters for broader summaries. If you want to focus on specific teams, apply a crew or trade filter. Review the entries carefully. Look at what work was completed, the labor hours logged, any delays that occurred, and any weather impacts recorded by the field. These details represent your on-site source of truth. Keep your date range consistent across filters so comparisons are easier and trends become visible more quickly. If your update covers multiple weeks, use the same cadence each time so stakeholders can compare periods at a glance. Next, review workflow progress to compare planned work with completed work. Open workflows within the same project. Use the status filter to view completed, in progress, or open items, and pair it with a due date filter for the same reporting period. Count what has been completed, identify what is overdue, and highlight what is coming up. This creates the Schedule Progress section of your report and supports what you saw in daily reports. Now, assemble your narrative. Start with the time frame you are reporting on. Summarize site progress using the daily reports, highlighting major accomplishments, labor usage, delays, and any weather impacts recorded by the field. Then, add the schedule perspective from workflows by noting totals for completed, overdue, and upcoming tasks. Keep the language clear and neutral so stakeholders can understand it easily. If questions come up later, reference the filters you used so your report can be traced back to Stack data. That's all there is to creating a solid project progress report. By grounding your update in daily reports and validating it with workflow status, you can produce a concise and trustworthy summary every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.